Dicky Delacroix is the best.
Well, I think he's cute.
Harry, you come here now. Bobby Martin. Bobby.
You, Bob, come here now. Very late today, folks. Some of you folks want to give me a hand. Thanks, Mr. Martin. Think that should do it.
After my album was outbox checking meats. Then I look out the window and the kids was gone. Then I remembered it's the 2017 came more honey. Did I miss anything?
Oh, you're in time. They're still talking only up there.
Oh, see you later.
Oh, here's Tessie. But we're gonna go on without you, Tessie.
You wouldn't have me leave the dishes in the sink, would you?
Well now, I guess we better get started. Ain't everybody here? Dunbar. Dunbar? Who draws for Dunbar? Clyde broke his leg, didn't he? Who draws for him?
Well, I guess I draw.
Janie. Ain't you got a grown boy to do it for you?
Well, Horace is not 16 yet. Yes, I get a feel on the all-time this year.
I'll read the names in head of families first. Then draw a paper out of the box. And keep the paper folded in your hand without looking at it until everyone's got a turn. Everything clear? Then now, Adams. Hi, Joe. Hello, Denise. Next, Adamson.
Seems like there's just no time at all between letters anymore. Seems like we got through with the last one only last week.
Time she goes fast.
Warner.
77 years I've been coming to this lottery. 77 times.
Bill Hutchinson. Alright, it's all done. Okay, fellas, unfold.
Who's got it? What family?
Ma, is it us?
Well, for goodness sake, what family is it? Who's got it? It's the Hutchinsons. There, look! Bill Hutchinson's got it!
You didn't give him time to take any slip he wanted. I saw you. It wasn't fair.
Hey, shut up, Tessie. Well, now, everybody, that was done pretty fast. Now we've got to be more hurrying a little more to get done before noon.
It wasn't fair.
Well, now, Bill. I guess there's just us. Davy, Nancy, Bill Jr., Tess, and me.
I think we should start over. Joe didn't give him enough time. Everybody saw that.
Are you ready, Bill? Ready. Davy picked first. Then Nancy, Bill Jr., you and Tess. Got that? Davy, come here. Pick one piece of paper and hold it tightly. You understand?
Yes, Mrs. Summers.
Nancy. Bill Jr. Bill. Tessie.
I hope it's not a child. Doesn't seem right. Thank goodness.
Alright, open the papers. Baby, open your paper.
There's nothing in here.
Nancy. Bill Jr. Bill. Nice lang. Then I guess it's Nancy.
No! No!
Show us your paper, Bill. Nancy, open your hand.
No!
Come on now.
No! No! No!
It's Tessie. Alright folks, let's finish this quickly.
Come on, hurry up. I can't run. You go first. I'll catch up with you. Here's Davy.
This can't be me! It isn't God! It isn't fair! Bill! Bill!
So unfortunate, Tessie.
I'll take my revenge soon, Mr. Summers.